Subscribe to PyProTricks for Python and competitive programming and Bootstrap Station for technical videos. In this video, we are going to check whether a year is leap year or not. So what is a leap year? Which has 366 days. A normal year has 365 days. Okay. So what we are going to do here is, first of all, divide the number by 400. Divide by, then we will divide by 100, then we will divide by 4. So if it is divisible by 400, divisible by 400, then it is a leap year. If it is divisible by 100, it is not a leap year. If it is divisible by 4, it is a leap year. And if it is not divisible by 4, then it is not a leap year. Okay, so if, then if, then else. So this is what we are going to do now. Let us proceed with the algorithm. We are going to define a function here, is leap year, and pass the year here as the argument. Let us check if year modulo 400. The modulo operator gives us the remainder. Okay, so we are going to check the remainder here. If it is 0, we are going to return year is a leap year. This is just a string formatting. Else if year is divisible by 100, then you can say that year is not a leap year. Okay. Else if year is divisible by 4, then you have to return that year is a leap year. Okay. And else if it is not divisible by any of these, then it is not a leap year. Okay. So let us test it. So we want to check is leap year. Let us go for 2400. Let us check these values, and here are the results. 2400 is a leap year, 2013 is not a leap year, 400 is a leap year, 100 is not a leap year. Let me quickly show you. Here it comes, leap year, whether it is or not. So what you have to do is divide it by 400. If it is not divisible by 400, then you have to check for 100. If it is divisible by 100, then print no. Otherwise, you have to check for 4. If it is divisible by 4, then it is a leap year. Otherwise, you can just print no here, because this is the last condition we are checking from top to down. All right. So please subscribe to PyProTricks and Bootstrap Station. That's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.